Guys, good morning and welcome back to my channel. I know it's not usual for you guys to see my face like this here, face doing a skincare review or I'm making a reaction video, but I decided to introduce a new series to this channel, which is going to be like a weekly vlog. Thinking of this idea for a long time, and I told myself if I do not set up the camera to film this, I'm definitely never going to do this. I've done some stuff I wish I had not, so I'll just show you guys what I've done so far. But regardless, it is what it is. It's going to be like episode 1. So I'll see you guys in my community tab and I'll see you guys later.
Low-key, all of them done they notice. I'm not joking, all my guys, them know me. Since '06, I've been writing this story. I know be OG, but if you ask them know me. I know they blow trees, so you know me know me. Music chose me, just know this and know me.
Good morning. Today's Monday and I have class, so that's why I've not really said anything throughout the vlog. You've just been watching me do my thing. So I have class by 10:30 ish, and this is currently to 10. Like, I'm late. My friend will be outside waiting for me. I'm going to meet them now. So probably when I get back, I'll chat with you guys. But for now, I have to go. See you guys later.
Hi guys, good afternoon, welcome back. It is currently 6:30 ish to 7. I go back from school to 4, probably after 4. I was so tired. I'm not going to lie to you guys, I was so tired. The annoying part of that school today is that we only took one lecture, the rest lecturers did not come. I don't know if you guys are feeling this. I'm literally sweating. God, there's no cold water, there's no light. This Nigeria, they will not kill somebody. Everything is just frustrating. To even read self-book on my tired. Then I escorted my friend to medical because she's not feeling too well. But I don't know, maybe because we went to the medical or whatsoever, I don't know. Since I left that place, I've been having literally banging. I had to take Panadol now, and I just finished eating. I finished eating noodles, so I'll just lie down after this whole thing and just relax till when God knows when I'll have strength and I'll be okay. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Like, just enjoy the rest of the moments.
My body so crazy, baby. I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I check in with you. I need.
Good morning guys, good morning and welcome back to another vlog. Tuesday I have class. As you can see, I'm fully prepared and looking all pending. Do you like my hair? So today's Tuesday, like I said, I have class. I actually had class by 8 o'clock, but rain fell overnight and the rain stopped after it. What am I going to do? Put my head inside the rain and go into the class? No, hell no. So I should. I'm going for the second class. This first one skipped. Rain fell. I don't know what to do. So I have second class. I'm fully prepared. I didn't show you guys the whole process, but anyways, I'm done and I'm ready to go. Everything is just set. If anything interesting should happen in school, definitely I'll put you guys through. But if none, I don't know. So, and I have so many things to do today when I get back. So we have so much to do, so much to enjoy, so much to. So guys, I'll just see you guys later when I'm back from school. Have a wonderful day.
Hey guys, so I just got back from school now and I'm so hungry. I'm going to prepare noodles, but I told you guys that I had so many things to do today. I have this pepper I bought, so I want to make pomo soup, pomo stew. I have beans, and beans weevils are already inside of it. So instead of throwing it away, that's trashing it, I'll just go bad and me trashing it. I'd rather just make it useful. I'm going to make my with it, and this is my first time ever making my alone. I just hope I'm not doing nonsense. I just hope I won't be doing nonsense. So let me just show you guys my pomo soup that I prepared. So now I'll just go ahead. This is the pepper I'm using to make my noodles. My pot everywhere is just trash, but you know, I'm grating this pepper and preparing indomie. So I'll see you guys when I'm done, probably eating or later, later. Just pray for me. Like, I don't want this my mind to flop because I'm not the only one eating it. I have my fish, I have my onion, my egg, everything is just very.
Hello. So today is Wednesday, and I actually have class, but it's raining. I can't go. I'm so happy. I don't know why. So today I'm just going to chill. You can see I'm putting on OG, that kind of lazy girl vibe. So today is just giving lazy girl vibe. It's raining. I can't go to class. I know. See, you say inside this rain. That's my classmate, my friend. With class, I can come and kill myself. Oh, another day. So I just got the news. Our class has been cancelled. So I'll just farabalẹ̀ sit down at home and chill. So later in the day, since I'm not doing anything, I'll be showing you guys my skincare products, the new ones I got, just 3 sha. I'm going to be sharing it with you guys and also their work. So we'll see when I'm ready to talk about that. For now, to go and chill. Let's go and relax and be taking care of Imesi Ike's voice. I just got 3 new skincare products to my skincare. I got this Desia beauty skincare face wash. I do not have this face wash. I usually use Dudu also, which is very good. I'm not going to lie about it. Dudu also is one of the best African black soap that we have. It deeply cleanses my skin. That is why I like Dudu also. But I decided to like just try new thing and not just stay with Dudu also. I've been using it for a long time now. So I decided to get this Desia hyaluronic acid face wash. It is said to like deeply cleanse your skin, it controls your oil, anti-acne, and it moisturizes your skin. This is what it looks like. There's the carton. So I decided to try this out. I just hope it works and does not give me some kind of reaction. So I got this Pure D'Alone facial cleanser. If you know, I've already talked about this facial cleanser. So if you know what the video, you can go back to my previous video to watch it to know more about this Pure facial cleanser. It is very good. So I got this Rosin Naturals facial serum vitamin E. I actually have Pure Male vitamin C facial serum, but I decided to just use another one. That's why I got this one. Basically, this one is vitamin E, and also the reason why I got it is because they say it tackles dark spots, and I have dark spots on my face. I'm not going to lie. They say it prevents aging, reduces wrinkles and fine lines, get rid of dark spots. Those are the three reasons why I got this facial serum. So I just hope this serves its purpose and I'm not wasting my money. So that is it for now. I'm just gonna take my bath. I would be back when I'm done taking my bath. See you guys later.